Hi everyone, my name is Sarmita Utami Harahap. Today I'm gonna discuss about how Praat helps us in solving a problem related to voice analysis. Voice Toolkit is a free plugin for Praat with automated scripts for voice processing. Praat is an open source program for the analysis of speech and phonetics created by Paul Boersma and David Wenink of the University of Amsterdam. Praat program that is designed for scientific analysis and speech synthesis is also loads on scripts writing and exporting the results to the files. In this program were created two scripts, voice analysis and measured characteristic. Praat has a function called voice report or VR, which returns among other things the fraction of locally unvoiced frame in segment. If this number is subtracted from 1, the result is the portion of the segment which has vocal fold vibration ranging from 0 to 1. There are three different measures of validity: content-related, criterion-related, and construct-related. Of the voicing measures, found that Praat's voice report and the intensity-based measurement had the closest correlation to train the perceptual judgment of voicing in pre-palatal fricative. The study also found that Praat's default pitch setting from 75 to 600 Hz could lead change high frequency periodicity being interpreted as voicing. This was remedied by lowering the pitch ceiling to 300 Hz. However, the tokens were not manually segmented for voicing duration, and so the VR measures accuracy as a gradient measure could not be tested. It's called into question whether the fraction of locally unvoiced frames is a reliable measure, since the algorithm's creator points out in the value change based on zooming and also scrolling in the viewing windows. It also pointed out that the values obtained from VR varied from manual segmentation. Solving a problem related to voice analysis by using Praat means that a number of learners that have difficulties to improve and practice their English pronunciation skills do not have to be afraid of their accustomed to use their native language in daily activity or afraid of making mistakes. With Praat application, it can provide the learners with a set of platform-independent models that absolutely extend over a very broad range of the tasks involved: creating, annotating, querying, and also analyzing speech. At least as far as the acoustic analysis of speech is concerned, the study is currently at least as much payoff from building interfaces between complementary systems, such as these developing new tools for speech analysis. Praat allows to record a sound with a microphone or any other audio input device, or to read a sound from a sound on disk. Praat then be able to have a look inside this sound. The upper half of the sound window will show you a visible representation of the sound, the waveform. The lower half will show you several acoustic analyses, like the spectrograms, a representation of the amount of high and low frequencies available in the signal. It's painted in shades of gray. The pitch counter, or the frequency of periodicity, is drawn as a sine curve, and also the Forman counters, or the main constituent of the spectrogram, are plotted as red dots. In Praat application, it can query pitch values at certain times, as well as statistics over the pitch counter, using the query button when the pitch object is selected in the object window. It can be seen that pitch range is usually specified phrase by phrase and changing in the course of an utterances. It should therefore retrieve the pitch range for all phrases in our utterance separately. Teachers can also use Praat to evaluate English learners. Teachers can also use Praat to evaluate English learners' pronunciation, measure improvement over time, and to pinpoint each individual learner's problem efficiently. In conclusion, Praat can assist in teaching and learning English pronunciation and then represent the result of a pilot study that was specifically designed to explore how Praat can enable students to improve their intonation. That's all the explanation about how Praat helps us in solving a problem related to voice analysis. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video.